Who says barn-style homes can't be the pinnacle of luxury? If you're picturing a simple, rustic shed, get ready to have your mind blown. Today, we're stepping into the world of luxury barndominiums, where countryside charm meets high-end, modern sophistication. We're talking stunning designs, jaw-dropping features, and a lifestyle you've only dreamed of. Forget everything you thought you knew about barn homes. We're about to explore designs that redefine what it means to live in style. Stick around, because you're going to see some of the most beautiful homes on the planet. So, what exactly elevates a standard barndominium to the realm of luxury? It all starts with the materials. We're not just talking about steel frames. Think premium steel fused with high-end wood blends, natural stone, and vast expanses of glass. It's a combination that's both durable and breathtakingly beautiful. Inside, the luxury continues with spacious, open-concept layouts. These homes are designed for an elegant flow between living spaces, making them perfect for both intimate family life and grand-scale entertaining. The architectural details are where they truly shine. Imagine soaring vaulted ceilings that draw your eyes upward, dramatic exposed beams that add character and warmth, and sleek, modern facades that make a bold statement from the curb. It has this attention to detail and commitment to quality that transforms a simple structure into a luxurious sanctuary. Now let's get into the signature features that make these homes truly unforgettable. First up, massive windows. We're talking floor-to-ceiling glass walls that flood the interior with natural light and frame panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It's like living inside a beautiful painting. Next, the heart of the home, the designer kitchen. Picture sleek quartz or marble countertops, custom-built cabinetry that fits the space perfectly, and a suite of high-end, professional-grade appliances that would make any chef jealous. These kitchens aren't just for cooking, they're masterpieces of design. Then, we move to the spa-inspired bathrooms. Imagine unwinding in a chic freestanding tub, enjoying the space of a huge walk-in shower with multiple jets, and setting the mood with elegant ambient lighting. It's your own personal retreat, right at home. And of course, luxury living in the 21st century means smart home technology. These barndos are often equipped with fully integrated systems for lighting, climate control, entertainment, and security, all manageable from your smartphone. Finally, let's talk about the grand living spaces. These open-concept great rooms are designed to impress, often featuring a modern fireplace as a centerpiece, minimalist decor that emphasizes space and light, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. It's the perfect blend of comfort and high style. So, what do these incredible designs actually look like in a floor plan? Let's explore a few popular layouts. First, imagine a two-story barndominium. This plan often features a dramatic open loft overlooking the great room below. With 3 or 4 bedrooms, it's perfect for a family. The real showstopper is the front of the home, a magnificent wall-to-wall glass facade that creates an incredible sense of openness and connection to nature. Next up is an L-shaped layout. This design is brilliant for creating a private outdoor oasis. The 2 wings of the home wrap around a central courtyard, often featuring a poolside patio or a beautiful garden. With huge sliding glass doors, it's the ultimate indoor-outdoor living experience, perfect for those who love to entertain or simply enjoy the fresh air. For a bold, contemporary look, there's the modern farmhouse barndo. This style is incredibly popular right now. It typically features a striking black or dark gray steel exterior, softened with warm wood elements and rugged stone accents. The contrast is stunning, creating a home that's both edgy and inviting. And for those who need more space, there's the family estate barndo. This is a much larger footprint, often including an attached 3-car garage, a dedicated home office, and even a home theater or entertainment room. It's a comprehensive living solution that combines luxury, practicality, and endless fun for the whole family. One of the best things about luxury barndominiums is their incredible design versatility. They can be adapted to fit almost any aesthetic. Let's look at a few popular styles. First, the ever-popular modern farmhouse. This style is all about balance. It blends rustic textures like reclaimed wood and shiplap with sleek, clean, and often white interiors. The result is a space that feels bright, airy, and timelessly chic. For a more urban and edgy vibe, there's industrial chic. This style celebrates the barndominium's structural origins. Think polished concrete floors, exposed metal beams and ductwork, and a sophisticated color palette of dark grays, blacks, and metallics. It's minimalist, raw, and incredibly cool. On the opposite end of the spectrum is Scandinavian minimalism. This design philosophy is all about simplicity, functionality, and beauty. It uses light woods like birch and maple, a palette of soft neutral tones, and an absence of clutter to create a space that feels calm, serene, and deeply peaceful. Finally, we have rustic luxe. This style is pure indulgence. It takes the cozy elements of a rustic cabin like massive exposed wood beams and a stone fireplace and pairs them with glamorous, high-end finishes. Imagine crystal chandeliers, plush velvet furniture, and modern art against a backdrop of natural wood. It's the perfect marriage of rugged and refined. Drilling down further, let's talk about the interior design highlights that really make these spaces sing. The open layout is key. It creates a feeling of boundless space, but clever design ensures it still feels cozy and defined. You might see a large kitchen island separating the cooking and living areas, or a change in ceiling height to subtly designate a new room. Color palettes tend to be sophisticated and neutral. Think shades of white, beige, and gray, which create a perfect canvas. Then, designers add pops of drama with accent colors like matte black, brushed gold, or the rich tones of natural wood. These accents appear in fixtures, hardware, and furniture. Statement lighting is a non-negotiable in a luxury barndo. Forget boring ceiling lights. We're talking about magnificent chandeliers dripping with crystals in the great room, a row of artistic pendant lights over the kitchen island, or cool industrial fixtures that add an element of architectural interest. And a defining feature is the seamless indoor-outdoor connection. This is achieved through massive sliding or bifold glass doors that completely open up a wall to a covered patio or deck. It effectively doubles your living space and invites nature right inside, blurring the lines between your home and the landscape. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. The word luxury can be intimidating, but it doesn't always mean excessively expensive. It's about making smart upgrades that add long-term value and enhance your quality of life. On average, you can expect a luxury barndominium to cost somewhere between $150 and $250 per square foot. The final price tag really depends on the level of finishes you choose. Things like imported marble countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and custom millwork will naturally be at the higher end of that range. It is crucial to think about the balance between your initial investment and the lifestyle you're creating. A well-designed luxury barndo isn't just a house, it's a long-term asset that can provide an unparalleled living experience. The efficiency of the steel construction can also offer savings over time. It is about investing in a home that not only looks incredible but also supports the life you want to live. Theory is great, but seeing is believing. Let us take a look at a few real-world examples that showcase the incredible potential of luxury barndominium design. First, picture a stunning mountain retreat nestled in the Rockies. The exterior is a mix of dark steel and warm cedar, designed to blend in with the forested landscape. Inside, a two-story wall of glass perfectly frames the majestic mountain peaks. The great room features a massive stone fireplace that reaches up to the vaulted, beamed ceiling. The design is all about creating a cozy, yet inspiring, connection with nature. Next, let's head to the coast for a lakeside villa. This barndo is designed for entertaining and relaxation. It's an L-shaped layout with white steel and light wood accents, creating a breezy, coastal feel. The entire back of the house opens up with sliding glass doors to a sprawling deck and an infinity pool that appears to merge with the lake beyond. The interior is minimalist and clean, ensuring the breathtaking water view is always the star of the show. Finally, let's look at a sophisticated suburban estate. This home proves that barndos aren't just for the countryside. It features a sleek, Modern farmhouse design with a black exterior and a welcoming wraparound porch. Inside, it's pure elegance, with a gourmet kitchen, a dedicated home theater, and a spa-like master suite. It has all the amenities of a conventional luxury home but with the unique character and open concept freedom that only a barndominium can offer. These examples show that no matter the location, the craftsmanship and design flow can be truly world-class. So, as you can see, the worlds of rustic charm and modern luxury don't just coexist in a barndominium, they create something truly special together. From the soaring ceilings and wide-open spaces to the high-end finishes and seamless connection with the outdoors, these homes offer a unique and inspiring way to live. We hope this has sparked your imagination and shown you what's possible. Don't be afraid to dream big, because with smart planning and a clear vision, you can create a home that is perfectly tailored to you. If you love these design ideas and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. We've got so much more barndo inspiration coming your way. Your dream home isn't just a dream, it's a design away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.